This is it. This is the ultimate wearable hoodie blanket that you're ever going to need. This is just fantastic. Look at how big it is. I'm 5'10, I weigh 190 pounds, and you can see this one. It is quite big. It is so fluffy. It is super nice and soft with all the Sherpa. You're gonna see this fleece over here. It comes with all this super soft fleece over here. Some really nice, good ones over here as well. And just take a look at this. Take a look at this fabric over here. This really nice and soft fabric that, whew, I'm cooking. I'm cooking in a good way. Of course, you can just open this one a little bit if you need. And it has pockets right here. You're gonna see a really nice set of pockets. So you can put your remote controller, your phone, your book, your devices, and have a really nice, ooh, this is so nice. Have a really nice kind of like binge watching your favorite TV show with this blanket during the winter season. And of course, you have, I mean, you can be barely with any clothes if you want underneath because it's so comfy, so fluffy, and so soft. And of course, it comes with this really nice hoodie, so you can have that pajama party or kind of like just get a few of this one, get it with your partner, and just like be super soft. And whew, I'm cooking, dude. This is it. This is so nice. I love this one. I think it is fantastic for just like going to the couch and not doing anything, just chilling and then being super cozy, cute, and warm with this really nice, with multiple designs for sure. But get it, you're not gonna regret it.